Welcome, creators, dreamers, and visionaries. Are you ready to transform your static images into stunning, eye-catching videos without spending a single penny? In today's video, I'm going to show you the world of the 100% free image to video generator that's about to revolutionize your content creation game. Imagine this: your favorite photos coming to life with smooth transitions, mesmerizing effects, and professional quality animations, all with just a few clicks. Whether you're a social media enthusiast, a budding filmmaker, or just someone who loves to create, this tool is your new best friend. In this video, I'll show you how to use this free tool step-by-step. Mind-blowing features you won't believe are free creative ideas to turn your images into viral videos. No subscriptions, no hidden fees, unlimited video generation, just pure creative freedom. So you never miss out on the latest tool to level up your content if you want to learn this tool. So please watch this video till the end without skipping it. Ready to create something extraordinary? So this is the right time. So first, for this, we need an engaging story for our video creation. Now open your Chrome browser and search ChatGPT. Now I'm giving this prompt for story. Create a funny story in 200 words on lion, rabbit, and fox. Now click on this. You will get the story in just a few seconds. Now from this story, we need to prepare image prompts to create a video. I create this detailed prompt for image creation. You can paste this prompt. Now you can take a screenshot of this prompt, and I will also provide it in the description. In just a few seconds, you will receive the image prompts. Now copy this and paste in this box. In just a few seconds, you will get your image prompts. Now it's time for the next step. For this, search for Meta AI here. Click on First Site. You will get an interface like this. Now click on the 3 lines menu icon on the left side. Now click on Login. Here you can log in with Instagram and Facebook account. Click on this for select your Insta account, which one you want to log in. Now, you will see an interface like this. Here we will give prompt for image generation. Just copy this prompt and paste in the box. In just few seconds, you will get your images here. If you're not satisfied with images, you can click on Regenerate button. Now it's time to create a video from these images. Click on Image and click on Animate. And you can also animate all the images at once from here. Now you can download these animations. Now from here, you can prepare all the animations one by one. Simply, you need to copy and paste. Now go to the next step to voice generation for your story. Search 11 Labs. Now copy your story and paste here. If you need any help in voice generation, I already make a detailed video on voice generation. You can watch my video. I will provide the link in description. For best voice, now you have to click on Setting. Now select Model. Click on this. Just scroll down now. Select 11 Multilingual V1. Now set Stability at 75 and Similarity 80. Now go to Back and click on Generate. After a few seconds, you can download your voice. Now let's move towards the final step. Now you have to edit your video and add voice to it. For this, I will use CapCut. Now all the videos have to be added here one by one. After this, the voice also has to be added. Now you have to adjust your videos in such a way that the watermark will also be removed. Now click on Adjust. Here we will adjust videos, brightness, highlights, and sharpness for better video quality. You have to apply these adjustments one by one to all the videos. After these all things, final process in remaining. Now click on it and select Optical Flow. Now click on Export. Now you can see final result. One day, a lion, a rabbit, and a fox found a huge pile of carrots in the forest. The lion roared, "I am the king. I will take all the carrots." The rabbit twitched his nose. "But I love carrots." The fox smirked, "And I love tricking others." The lion glared. "What do you mean?" The fox grinned. "Well, these are magical carrots. Whoever eats them turns into a rabbit." The lion scoffed. "Nonsense. Its results are amazing. You too can make such amazing videos, and that too for free. This tool is 100% free, and you can create such amazing unlimited videos without pay any cost. If you need any kind of help, please do write in the comment box." Unlock the power of unlimited free AI video creation. Thank you so much for watching, creators. If you're ready to take your content to the next level without spending a dime, this unlimited free AI video generator is your ultimate tool. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more game-changing tips and tools to elevate your creativity. Got questions or ideas for future videos? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest AI tools and tricks. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and remember, the future of video creation is here, and it's free. See you in the next video.